Lviv State Aircraft Repair Plant delivers repaired MiG-29 fighter to Ukrainian Air Force. Lviv State Aircraft Repair Plant has repaired and handed over a MiG-29 aircraft to the Ukrainian Air Force, UAF. Lviv State Aircraft Repair Plant is part of state-owned defense industrial group Ukroboronprom. It is the only facility in the country that repairs the MiG-29 aircraft. Ukroboronprom announced that the aircraft was delivered to the UAF post-successful test flights. Ukroboronprom provided a 2-year warranty on the overhauled aircraft and the possibility of the aircraft's post-warranty maintenance. Earlier this year, Lviv State Aircraft Repair Plant repaired and handed over a MiG-29 UB trainer aircraft to the UAF. The ground technical control checks of all parameters were carried out at the flight test station before the UAF representatives accepted the aircraft. Test and reconnaissance flights were carried out after the control checks on the MiG-29 jet. During the overhaul process, Lviv State Aircraft Repair Plant team restored the aerodynamic characteristics of the machine, fuel tanks, hydraulic, fuel and air systems, and many others. The Ukrainian Defense Ministry said it would pay UAE 25 meters for the overhaul of another MiG-29. The MiG-29K fighter-bomber aircraft is manufactured by RSK MiG and the Irkutsk Aircraft Production Association Joint Stock Company. The MiG-29, 30, and 33 are known by the NATO codename Fulcrum. It is the carrier-based version of the MiG-29 jet. The mission of the MiG-29 is to destroy hostile air targets within radar coverage limits and to destroy ground targets using unguided weapons in visual flight conditions. The aircraft's fixed-wing profile with large-wing leading-edge root extensions gives good maneuverability and control at subsonic speeds, including maneuvers at high angles of attack. The maximum operational loading is 9 grams. Lviv State Aircraft Repair Plant is a leading enterprise that is part of Ukroboronprom and that specializes in the repair of aircraft and military. Lviv State Aircraft Repair Plant repairs of the aircraft MiG-21, MiG-23, MiG-27, and MiG-29, its aggregates and equipment, including the works on the renovation of overhaul service life and lifetime. Lviv State Aircraft Repair Plant coordinates the work of other Ukrainian contractors participating in the MiG-29 program, such as Horizon Navigacja DPON, Novator, Fazotron Ukraina, Arsenal, Laser Technic Design Bureau, Elektropriled, Avid Iran, Avia Radio Service, and SDO Tecan Electron.